Hey guys, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into images, type in heart onto the search tab, and then ownership, tick free. Now this is the image that I'm looking for, I love you. Click on insert image. Okay, so we are going to duplicate this and I'm going to flip this horizontally. Now this is going to be the front page of the card. I'm just approximating it with the one that we have duplicated. Now you can highlight the whole thing and let's align this. Okay, once you're happy with that, let's unlock and change the size. The width is going to be 22 by height of 12. Okay, once that's done, let's weld. Right, let's go ahead and print this, and that's all. That's a very simple and easy card. For this project I'll be using a red cardstock. Now if you want to, you can go ahead and also print another copy and glue them together. I just think it gives it a bit more stability to the card. This is a really simple, easy and a cute card. So you can write your short messages on both sides of the cards. And yeah, I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.